Hey beautiful people, get into this sweet potato honey bun cake. So I prepared my sweet potatoes in butter and seasonings, and then to my brown sugar I added cinnamon and nutmeg, and then I added a box cake. You can use any box cake you want. And then I washed my citrus and I zested and I added it to my bowl. And to that I added some oil, vanilla flavoring, and eggs. And then I added my sweet potato mixture with a little bit of sour cream and a little bit of cream cheese. And this video is brought to you and sponsored by Oils and Bars Soaps. Hey, take a second and look at what other people have to say about Oils and Bar soaps. And for a limited time, you can buy any Oils and Bar soaps for only $3. So I mix all my ingredients together for my sweet potato cinnamon bun cake. And then I take half the mixture and spread it on the bottom of the pan. A well greased or buttered pan so that your cake don't stick. Then you take your cinnamon and brown sugar mixture and evenly distribute that over your first layer of cake mix, and then the remaining of your cake mix, you spread that all over the top. Put it in the oven and bake it. So I prepare my icing with powdered sugar, vanilla, canned milk, and a little bit of cream cheese. Now, to get the consistency you want to add your milk at small amounts at a time, because you can't take away liquid, you can't take away seasonings, but you can always add to. So always add a little bit at a time. I added my icing and I garnished with my fruit. And if you enjoy watching this video, be sure to follow and subscribe, comment and like so that you don't miss future videos that I upload. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays and God bless.